Hi, everybody. Welcome to Stampers Club. I am Karen Tralfa, and I'm going to be showing you a super easy, quick card today. You're going to absolutely love it. Let me show you what we're going to be playing with. Okay, so we're going to be using the Spotlight on Nature stamp set, some Stampin' Blends, and a Memento ink pad. Super limited supplies. I want to show you guys that you can make stuff like super quick and super easy. So what I started with was, of course, my card base, which is just a 8.5 by 11 black cardstock, scored at 4 1/4. It's 8.5 by 5.5. Did I say 8.5 by 11? It's a half a sheet at 8.5 by 11. And I scored it at 4 1/4. And that gives you a nice crisp edge there. And then I have a piece of very vanilla cardstock that's 4 inches by 5 1/4 to get my black Memento ink here, and just one of the little images, just the leaf image from the Spotlight on Nature. And we're just going to give it some ink here, and I'm going to just go straight down, move it over, and I'm going to stamp again, and it gets that like little bit of a shadowed look there. Okay. And I need my word thanks. I think my ink pad's getting a little dry. Need my little thanks. I'm going to put that right there. Okay. Then I need a scrap piece of paper. A little scrap. We always save scraps, right? And let's get this little butterfly. Make sure I get him good and inked. Right? That's that little butterfly. All right. Let's move this out of our way before I wear it like I normally do. All right, let's bring in these Stampin' Blends. I'm going to start with the light one. This is a small image, so there's not going to be too much blending going on. So I'm going to start with the light, and I'm going to give the whole butterfly colored with this pretty petunia pop. This is one of the new in colors. If you like this card when we're all done, and you like how easy it is to make, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you get notified as I do additional videos for you guys and show you some more cool tips and tricks. And then, of course, you can always go over to my blog at stampersclub.com and check out other cards that I have too. I don't do a video on every card, but I do share this great Monday, Making It Monday, Taking It Up Tuesday series I've been doing. You'll enjoy that. So I'm going to come back with the dark, and I'm just going to add some areas here that are like already like the areas that kind of the artist already drew in the stamp, those little black lines. I'm just going to add a little bit of dark ink on those areas, not a lot. And that gets you so that you have that little bit of shading. I don't know if this is, oh, my autofocus isn't quite working, but you don't get a lot of shading there, okay? Because it's just too small of an image with the blends, but I wanted that pretty color. Right, so scissors. We're going to die cut this the old-fashioned way, guys. These things, right? Can you imagine? Remember using these guys back in the day? Yep, this is the old-fashioned die cut, because this stamp set, the dies that come with it, you can check out one of my other videos that's the Spotlight on Nature highlighted. That shows you the dies that goes with this set as a bundle. There are a series of circles, but I'm not using any dies on this one. This is definitely a keep it simple Stampin' here. So I did this as one of my Making It Monday cards on my blog a while back, and everybody really seemed to like it because it's so quick and easy, right? You can sign up for my newsletter too, and then you'll get, notified when I'm doing things, if special events or retreat weekends, I do those too. So you can always check those out. So there's that cute little butterfly. So let's do some quick assembly here. Here's my tape. Let's get some tape on that. Get that on my front of my card. I think I'm still going to be under 5 minutes here, even though I was chatting and I forgot a couple things. And then let me get a dimensional. Let's just get a couple dimensionals here. I'm going to use the minis because I can't find my other ones. And it's sticking to my fingernails. Come on. Get off of there. And then get those little backings off. So these dimensionals, you know, the girl's best friend diamonds, right? And we're going to just pop that on, just kind of over the thanks a little bit. Then I'm going to use just a little bit of ribbon because you know me and ribbon. I love ribbon. I like the textile. I like the fabric that gets added to the card, and it just makes it really scream, hey, I'm homemade, because you don't see that too often in the store-bought cards. When's the last time you actually bought a store-bought card? And glue dot. And when you're using your glue dots, it's best to take your ribbon and push it onto the glue dot instead of trying to pick up the glue dot, because then the glue dot sticks to the ribbon. We're just gonna put that little ribbon, little tiny little knot, just for that little extra little wow on the card. And can you believe that? Look at that. Simple, 5 minutes or less. Super easy, right? So again, thank you for stopping by. I love sharing these cards with you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment if you'd like me to show you some more simple, easy cards. You could even pick a stamp set, and I might just do something special just for you based on the stamp set that you asked me to demonstrate for you. But you guys have a stamp happy day, and I will see you again. Bye.